As you can see, I'm down here surfing the mice. We've got a beautiful day, plenty of waves, plenty of boats, but now we've got a threat now. As you can see, there's a gull on the loose. So, we have to take drastic measures here and deploy creeping death. I'll just get Dusty to do the honours. You go get that gull, boy. Get that gull. You get him. You get him. And you get... He's a good boy. Go deal with him. Just checking the guns to make sure they're all fully operational. Done. Well done, son. Excellent job. Seagull gone. Good on you, son. That's the way. Get rid of those buggers. Come on, out you come.